Welcome to a space where words meet heart. I'm here to share my thoughts, my poems with you with an intention that they connect with you in a meaningful way. So let's explore these feelings and spread some love along the way. Today, what I have for you is a beautiful poem. It's a lesson which I'm trying to learn since long time, and I have mentioned this lesson in many of my poems. But I have to keep reminding myself this because I want to learn this lesson. Because if I do not learn this lesson, then the cycles will go on, and the real purpose of this cycle is to learn this lesson. And if I just keep standing here only, then I will not be able to move forward. So, to further my growth, I have to learn this. It is hard. Almost like you cannot even think about it. Like it doesn't come in your thought just like you are sitting and it randomly pops up in your head. It's more like observation of everyday thing, every moment. Like now, my thoughts, my actions, my reactions, my experience. This experience is my responsibility. Just a few, I guess 1 or 2 hours ago, I had a fight with my sister, and there I was angry at her. But I just reminded myself that the anger which I'm feeling, the reaction of my ego, is my responsibility. This has nothing to do with her. She is just an external stimuli who just helped me because of the universe's plan. She helped me to experience this, to know that I am responsible for my experience and the anger I am feeling is my responsibility. Instead of anger, I would have felt calmer if I had told me myself that it is not necessary. It was about a glass. Uh, it is my glass. I used it. I use that cup every day, and she had used it and she forgot to wash it. And I was so angry. Like at this time, like whenever I wake up and I come on my table, I bring my coffee with me and I couldn't find my cup and I needed it, and I just got so angry, like how can this happen, like I'm trying to be so calm, composed, and all of a sudden this happens and I got angry. I was like, everything got ruined, like how and I was like blaming her, but she is just an external stimulus. She has nothing to do with it. This is my experience, my responsibility, and this is what I got reminded with it. And that is what this poem talks about. Another thing that happened with me yesterday. So yesterday we had really beautiful Satyanarayan Puja. So so it was really great experience. I enjoyed it a lot. And when there were our neighbors who came for offering and taking the blessings to our house, and we give them prasadam, and there were little kids, so I was giving them prasadam, and and I don't know, I could see it that it will fall down, and I was just so much in my head that I just it fell down on the floor, and I was just so frustrated, so angry, like there was total chaos going on in my head, and I was judging myself so much. I wanted everything to go perfect, but the moment got ruined because of my frustration. And even today, like this happened yesterday just for 1 or 5 second thing, and it just ruined my morning, my night, my evening. And I was judging myself so much, but I was telling myself that my experience is my responsibility and have to focus on enjoying the present, because what happened then was just it happened, and that helped me. Actually, it did felt like a blunder, like how can I do this, what will the What will the Satyanarayan Bhagwan will think that I just disrespected him. But I guess I said 10 or not 10, I guess few times sorry to him, that I'm really sorry. And in my head I'm like, I'm really sorry, I'm sorry why I did this, I don't know how this happened. But I was judging myself so much. I'm sorry, it is 5 minutes and I'm just speaking. I had to share this poem with you. But all these things that happened with me, they just remind me that my experience is my responsibility. The external stimuli, the falling of prasadam, my sister making me angry, these have nothing to do with me. What my experience is, my thoughts, my actions, my reaction. When prasadam fell, I could have just, said sorry to Bhagwan, and he is the supreme forgiver. Am I supreme forgiver? So she will definitely forgive me. The the mind that is judging me so much is the problem, and I have to fight with this. I have to win over this. That is what I need to, remind myself and need to learn. So many things happened, but it was really nothing. It is just, when I go too much into my ego, like when you feel like the whatever you are doing is really important, you are really important, but I keep telling myself I'm nothing, I'm not important. No, not like that. Feeling inferior, it is not feeling inferior or underconfident. It is about when you are just, too serious. You don't have to be too serious about anything. Just be in present and enjoy the present. Know your thoughts, actions, reaction, your own thought, actions, and reactions. You don't need to read other people's mind. What they think, what they do, what they react is their reaction. For them, I am the external stimuli, and for me, they are the external stimuli. Physically, we more focus on what we see through our eyes, just what we can see, and that is what our thought becomes, and that is what we think is real, but that is not. What real is the wisdom which we have, the experience which you are feeling. My thoughts, my actions, my reactions are real for me. They affect me, my wisdom, they are affecting. It has nothing to do with them. This will create my own karma. What I do will not, give any good karma or bad karma to them. What they do, what they think, how they react is their karma. It was a lot. Now it is 8 minutes. I guess today's video will be really long. I'm sorry. Or should I just keep it like experience? Well, today's video I will just keep like, 2 stories of my experience, because if I will share this poem, it is really long poem. It will be almost 20-minute long video. So yeah, thank you for listening to my experiences. These 2 things happened with me, and there is total chaos going on in my head, and I somehow tried to share it with you. And I don't know how I spoke. I'm sorry if you were not able to get what I'm saying, but if it helped me, like it kind of, helped me to calm down, because I'm still in that energy. You can see like kind of frustration and irritation and anger. I'm like, how can I do this? But I'm trying to stay calm, because it is my experience, and it is hard. It is not as easy as just one line thing. It can be said in a line, but when you have to perform this practically in your life, the action, the reactions, and the thought, when you are observing it, when you are performing it, it is hard. But when you start improving yourself, when you bring the change in yourself, is really big thing. Because me being able to think all this, me being able to be more kinder to myself is big change in myself, and I'm really grateful for this change. And and if I'm able to come till here, then definitely I will grow further. These two experiences and whatever happens in the present is helping me to grow further, and I'm grateful for it. Thank you very much for listening to my video, and I'm sorry if my experiences were not delivered that well, but if it helps you, I would be really grateful to the universe, because I have promised to my ma, and we have come in where I have just told my ma that ma, whatever I do, whatever I'm saying, whatever I'm doing is for you. I'm offering everything to you. So this is my offering to my ma, and she loves me, and she loves me so much. So yeah, I know she will definitely accept it. So for me, I see my ma in everyone, everything, and the person who is watching this video is my ma for me. Like, not like, um, the divinity in you. That is what I'm calling it. The divinity in you, the divinity in me, the divinity in surroundings, the divinity in universe, everything. That is ma for me. And thank you very much. And if you want to share anything, any poem, any story, any experiences, anything, like if this chaos is going on in your head too, you are feeling messed up, and you're like all over the place, you don't know what is going on, what you should do, or if everything you could do has already done, and you're really confused, like what is happening. Please, if you want to, or if you feel comfortable, you can share it down. And when we share our experiences, our thought, it gets easier and lighter. And it is 12 minutes already, so yeah, I'll go now. Bye.